Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the clipboard error in Excel. So it will state the error, there was a problem with the clipboard, and this error will occur while you are trying to copy content from the spreadsheet. So for that, let's go quick into the process. First is we are going to close any Excel instances or processes in our windows. But before you can go on closing any Excel processes is you need to make sure that you have saved your work in the Microsoft Excel. And then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type task MGR, which stands for Task Manager. Now simply click on that under the best match. Maximize the Task Manager window. Then here in the search bar, simply type Excel. Then you'll find Microsoft Excel processes. Simply make a right click and then you have to select the End Task option. By clicking on the End Task option, that will completely close any Excel processes on your Windows. And then after you have completely closed any instances of Microsoft Excel, then you just have to simply open your spreadsheet again and try to see if the problem has been fixed. For the next method is we can also try to restart the Microsoft Excel. A simple restart can usually fix any issues on the Microsoft Excel, so we need to try on that. How can we do that? While you are on your Microsoft Excel, make sure to save that first, and then you have to close it, and then type Excel on the Windows search bar to open it, and then open your spreadsheet or your work, and then that is the restart, or that is how you can restart the Microsoft Excel on your Windows. And after that, you just have to see if the problem has been fixed. For the next method is we need to, or we can use the Open and Repair tool, which is a built-in tool here in the Microsoft Excel. And on how we can do that, it is just very simple. You just need to click on this File tab at the top left corner, then click on Open. Then you have to click on Browse. And here you have to click on your work or the spreadsheet. Click on this drop-down arrow next to Open, and click on this option Open and Repair. And this window will appear. So I'm just going to wait for this for the repair option to appear. So in your case, it will not take that time. So here it is. You just have to simply click on this repair option, and then wait for the process to be done. For the next method is we can also disable the add-ins on our Microsoft Excel, because sometimes add-ins can cause issues. So click on the File tab again at the top left corner. Then you have to select More, click on Options. Then here you'll find add-ins in the Excel options. You'll find Manage. You click on this drop-down arrow and choose Excel add-ins. Click on Go, and you'll find the add-ins right here. So make sure to uncheck any of these boxes and click on OK. And for the next method is we can also clear the clipboard history on our Windows. And on how we can do that, we are just going to use the shortcut. So press the Windows key and the letter V key together. Now you will find this clear all option. Simply click on that, and that will just clear the clipboard history on your Windows. And after that, you just need to open your spreadsheet in the Microsoft Excel and try to see if the problem has been fixed. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.